These aren't just giants of corporate America. They're global brands, selling goods and services around the world. But are they shirking their economic responsibilities, as Apple was recently accused of doing?
Corporate income.
Senators at a congressional hearing said Apple shunted billions of dollars abroad to lower its tax bill.
Isn't it obvious that you are not bearing the same tax burden as if you were bearing in the United States, which then gives you some advantage over corporations and companies which are smaller, which are strictly located in the United States of America?
I do, so help me God.
After being sworn in, Apple's bosses defended their position.
We pay all the taxes we owe, every single dollar. We not only comply with the laws, but we comply with the spirit of the laws. We don't depend on tax gimmicks.
Apple isn't unique. It's estimated that about $1.7 trillion of US profits is sitting overseas. Companies here complain that the current 35% tax rate on overseas profits is too high. The argument goes, if they paid lower taxes on foreign profit, more cash would flow back into the US economy.
It could be brought home and used to hire additional workers in the United States, or it could be brought home and used to invest in capital, in plant and equipment in the United States. So there's any number of ways in which it could benefit the US economy.
But not everyone buys that argument.
America tried a one-time tax holiday on the promise of major corporations they would bring the money back and create jobs. But instead what they did is create more profits, more dividends to shareholders, and more compensation for executives. It was a complete failure.
Streets are streets. Whose streets are streets?
The Occupy Wall Street movement helped define public opinion. Those camped out here didn't just want to occupy Wall Street, they wanted corporate America to pay their fair share of taxes. The demonstrators have long gone, but the sense of injustice remains. For many Americans, it's hard to watch companies and shareholders getting richer when that cash isn't being used to create more jobs at home. Michelle Fleury, BBC News, New York.